Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another video, Life with May. I just did my hair. I took my hair out and washed it and stuff until I can get it done over. Feel kind of naked. My sides are real thin, but they coming in. If you guys don't know, I use the hair drops, the kaleidoscope. I also use hair bar. You can order that one online. It's extra strength, so I'm finna order me another bottle of that. If you ladies out there hair grow real slow, I feel you, because mine's do. So it's coming in though. I got a little hang time. So I usually do sew-ins or weave. I'm looking into some braids for my birthday. I just contacted a braider in Grand Rapids. She got her own shop. So I sent her a couple of pictures because I like to inform people about my size, that they are thin. So hopefully she can do what it do and I can get them done. And this hat is too big. Yeah, let you see what it's doing out here in Holland. Snowing. About to go run a couple of errands. So I decided to bring you guys with me. I gotta, oh, excuse me guys. Hold on one second. I gotta get my brush for the snow. But yeah, probably can't really see me. But yeah, it's cold. We by the lake, so we get it colder than Grand Rapids and stuff. So ours be a little worse. Even though the snow sometimes isn't that bad, but that air. Trying to put my little brush together. I thought this was neat. My husband got this from his job. It's a scraper for when you got ice and stuff. And it really works too. I don't know how I put it in. That's been gone, but I just got done with everything. So thankful, grateful of the time. I'm really grateful. This is my last day at work for the week. So yeah. Put your hand in there like this. This is a scraper. This is neat. Oh, yeah, I got that. Now I got to get my brush. My husband said I brush off every little thing I do because I need to see. So everybody preference is different. Some people can go with the flow. Me, I got to brush this stuff off. Yeah. So I can see. It ain't a lot. But I make sure everything is visible because you might can't see them, but they can see you, and they might can't see you and you can see them. But I just gotta watch out. I had a bad accident years ago and it was not no joke. We almost lost our life because I trusted in me driving in that ice. It was like an ice storm. It was bad. And I will never forget that. You know, when something happened to you and it kind of like traumatizes you, it sets you back. So yes, first item on the menu, family fare at the dollar store. Then Sammy's nail shop, where I go and get my nails done. So yeah, I got a lot of little money orders to get. Sorry guys about that. Didn't know that was gonna come on. So this, I don't need these two right now. So yeah, on my way, go see my dad tomorrow. I'll be missing him, my dad Joe. I'll see my dad Mark on Saturday. Good Lord's will, say the same. The weather warm up. It's scaring me. So we're gonna see what the streets look like out here. But you never can tell. Never can tell. So comment down below what you guys doing. You at home, you at work, visiting, shopping, running errands, cleaning, sleeping, watching TV, relaxing. Yeah, That's what I think we're gonna do tomorrow when I come back from seeing my dad. I gotta go do his paperwork to get everything he needs and my stuff ready for taxes. I get mine done next week. I don't get no taxes because I don't have no dependents. You know, I was claiming my grandkids years ago. That all gone because they mom claimed them, but it was good while it lasted, boy. Now they're giving out the extra money. That's really good. So, yeah, the kiddos do need it though, especially with the cost of everything today. Everything has skyrocketed from when I was getting it. But still thankful that I got a job. Thankful that I'm back on the mend of getting stuff done. Matter of fact, I'm gonna stop by this office. I call her. So guys, if I don't say nothing, I walk in my rental office where my trailer is because I need some paperwork, and I just call her. No answer. Yep, so see if she can do that for me. Oh, bear with me, guys. I'm still gonna help you guys online. Just ain't gonna say nothing until I get out of here. One second. This is our office. Hi, I called you. Might not got it yet, but can you for tax purposes, can you give me from August to January my rental history?
To January of this year?
Yeah.
We need through January?
Just August to January. Said the last 6 months, not counting February. I thought I heard some music.
Here?
Yeah, at first I looked at your truck, that's why I stopped. I was like, shit, a truck? But then I think it's the people right there.
Oh, with the boat?
Yeah, I'm like, because I see your truck and I'm like, no, I ain't hear anything.
That's not.
I know now, but
Yeah.
I'm saying that's why I stopped. I'm like,
That's weird.
no, I ain't going
Oh,
crazy.
yeah, there's people-
Yeah, I think it's them.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, and can you give me my total for March? I might forget. So can you email it to me?
Your total for March?
Yeah,
Yes.
because I might forget what you tell me.
It'll be $697.54, but I'll still email.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So 698, I always round it off. All right, thanks. Yeah, so I got the paperwork I wanted. So that was a blessing. That went fast. So let's see if it's right. Because that went too fast. A lot of times you gotta go get what you want because people are pussyfoot. Yeah, people will pussyfoot. So that means slow around. I don't mean to use that term like that, but yeah. So I got that. I now need a bank statement. I think she said 30 days. Hopefully. Man, they just be going, boy. They don't blow with nothing. This stuff pitiful. What the fuck? Like, you want to go somewhere that bad. Hey. And they all be, you know, like, oh, look at this. It's a little blizzard. You can barely see. Dang, just think about it at night. Hope it clear by tonight, but I gotta do what I gotta do. The streets ain't bad though. It's just, woo. We're in Michigan. You already know we in Michigan. And all this stuff right here scares the mess out of me. See them trees just hanging there. Birds. Yeah, that looked like a little blizzard. You barely can see. Thank God it's daytime. So I'm gonna get me a head of lettuce. I think I want a salad. Yeah, I think I do. I don't know for sure. Yeah, I might do me some fish sticks when I come back. I'll get this stuff for this lasagna for Sunday. That's what I want. Have us some good old lasagna on Sunday. Yepper. So, yep, stop by here. Then I hope to go to this cleaners. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this cleaners. Yep, some family fare. So this is the La Plaza I always go to. Like I told you, they go my favorite store, Dollar General. Dollar G. Then I'm gonna go to my family fare to get my money order. All right, guys. Guys. That man just took his whole hand. Look. No brush. He said, skip that. Yeah, I'm gonna give me a head of lettuce and this salad for tonight. So, honey, gonna have a salad. Those are stop. Stupid. Man. Ooh, chilly. So, give me a head of lettuce. Head of lettuce. This is what we got. Plants. Family. I want some donuts over there, but I don't need them. Stay away from that stuff. Smell good in here. Like that chicken. Yep. I always get messed up heads of lettuce. This one look decent. Look fresh. That's good. It ain't no Don't you ladies hate when your sock fall down in your shoe? Look at my edges, boy. They coming in. I'm grateful and thankful. Could not have none. Give me a minute, guys. I'm getting my money orders. Okay. Hold on, guys.
At Best Buy.
Oh, yeah, see?
Who's their service?
That one's with Verizon. You can switch it your phones, which I got 4 phones anyway.
I need a couple of money orders too.
Okay. How much do you need the money orders for?
The first one is I need 2 of them for $75 even. What? And oh, that's okay.
Okay, 2 of them you said for
$75 each.
okay.
And then three for $30 each.
3 for 30?
Yeah. And
That's it.
these stamps.
Yeah, please.
5 stamps.
5 stamps?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it.
Yep.
Just gonna ask if you want to donate for Special Olympics. So if you have a one, it's $250.84 with the fees.
I gave you $250.
Thank you.
How you doing, young lady?
I am good. How about yourself?
I'm good. Finally, no migraine. Nothing is wrong.
Migraines are horrible.
Man, oh my God.
I had one that triggered a minor stroke a few years back in.
Really?
Same after that, yeah.
Oh, mine's-
Stress. All of a sudden, the
Yep.
migraine kicked my rear end for a minute.
Yeah.
And my speech blurred and everything was
Oh, mine's be bad, but not that bad. Woo. But yeah, I have to go.
Her body go down. For like a week, half of her body or her whole body would just be numb all night.
Wow. Yeah, I had to go in for the migraine cocktail. You know how they do the infusions? For 3 hours. I had IV on each arm.
Oh boy.
Yeah, because it breaks the cycle. Because if I have it more than 4 hours, I'm going to have it for like 3 or 4 days.
Oh God.
Where I can't get up, I get dizzy, nausea. Yeah, it's sad.
What causes those?
They said the receptors in your head, something with that, they collide. And onset of a migraine, I take Uralby, but because the insurance is just starting off, so everything is high to do your spend down. They only give me 8 pills a month for $900.
Oh my God.
But my insurance cover it once it goes down, so I can't afford it right now. So I have to suffer with either migraine, excessive headaches.
Pressure change and all don't help either with it.
Yeah.
And with being in Michigan, it's always up,
Yep.
down, up, down, up, down.
Yeah. And then she provided me some more pills, but I get nauseated off of
And
them.
who wants to be nauseated
Nope.
all either?
So
Oh, yeah,
then she had to give me Then she had to give me some promethazine for the nausea. So it's
And
like
then you're all pumped up. That's what my mom.
Yeah.
My mom was on like a few thousand in just medicines for just migraines, and
No.
causing migraines, and
No.
And I'm like, and she literally smelled like medicine.
See?
Like, literally, and then trying to come off of them. So come on.
I told her no, thank you. I don't want all that.
I got you stamps, so you should buy it right.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you got rid of it, man. Thank God.
I know this is the first day in like a month. I feel like myself.
And look,
Yeah.
the sun ain't too bright today too, because now you got a headache, so you don't want like super bright sun in your eye, and you're going out for the first time.
Yeah, but I just washed my hair, so I hope I don't get sick from that. It's always something. Yes, it's always something.
Let's hope not.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's right there. You're so welcome.
Okay.
Have fun today.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Okay, guys. Egg is coming out worse. Look at this. Ooh, woo. Okay, the cleaners. Look at this. That should get us out from the gang. That's it's cold. I wonder what's the degrees over here. Yes, it is. I got my hood. Might have to let you guys go because I don't want my phone to get wet next time I get out. So, which is gonna be real quick. So, I ain't even my truck. Wow, that's the worst thing. Dang, and I just did this. Look at this. Yeah. Hopefully, today is just the one day. So I got all my money ordered and stuff. I feel good. I gotta fill them out now. So. Maybe once I get home or get back, stop by the mailbox. Yep, so guys, I guess I'm gonna get back with you guys shortly. Like I said, I don't want to keep taking my phone out in this weather like this and it get wet. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, positive vibes only. Catch you guys in my next video. Life with May May. Peace.